let's fly. Hi there, kite people, Sven from AERIALIS Kites. Today I'm out on a mission. You know, that super vented high wind kite. It's sitting back in my car. It's modified, we got wind, we got everything we need to give it another spin. Let's go! Okay. This actually looks really good. The grass is cut, it's down to this. Not like this, like it was last time I was here. I think we have wind as well, as long as I stay to the, what's it gonna be, to the right side of the field. So let's give it a try and see what happens. The new super high wind vented kite. Yeah, let's go. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. Truth, yeah, something like that. We got wind, we got a nice field. I'm a bit sheltered by the trees over here, but further up the field, and especially to the left, there is plenty of wind. So let's assemble this guy, the super vented high wind kite, now being modified, and let's try it out in this wind conditions. So, what are the modifications that Anders has done to this kite? Let's take a closer look. Well, actually, Anders has made two things over here. He has added two panels to cover the mesh that lies underneath. So now we can, let's see if I can remove this. And then we have more ventilation to the kite. Should the wind pick up even more, we can also remove this other panel. So now we have the kite fully ventilated. I will be trying it out with both panels in place and see if the kite will fly in conditions like today. Guess we're ready to fly this beauty, or at least try to fly it. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, this kite wants to fly, but I think we should add some flying lines to it. Mark set it in place like that. Yeah, looks good. Let's give it a try. Okay, yellow to the right and blue to the left. Okay guys, this is a real moment of truth. I don't get the hang of that word. Let's fly. Yeah. Ooh, it flies! And the wind is really difficult. It's very bumpy up there, but the kite will fly. And it pulls almost nothing. And it's really, really bumpy, especially when the kite nears the ground up there. Feels good, and it's flying definitely much better than it did last time I was flying it with full ventilation. This is like fishing for mackerel. It's really bumpy. Oh, whoa. But it flies. And in Denmark we couldn't fly it because the fluctuations in wind speed was way too much for it. But the fluctuations today, they are manageable. Could use a bit more wind though, but it works. Going down for a landing. That didn't work out so good, but yeah, I guess I could just stake it to the ground like that. Now I guess you all want to see the kite in the air, so let's turn the camera around and check it out. All right, let's try to keep the kite in the air and also in the frame. Okay, let's launch it and see what happens. Wow. Whew. Yeah, as you can see, I've removed that fleece jacket of mine. Got way too hot down there running up and down the field. And it was not cold inside the car either, being parked out here in the sun. Anyway, the verdict, the Kite. It was a totally different experience now. The Kite was much better pressure in the sail. It was easier to control it. I could loop, I could do crisp combination turns, straight lines. Yes, it was kind of turbulent out there, but it flew quite good after all. So when the wind was kind of stable and really picking up, you could definitely feel the potential of the Kite. It surely will cover the upper wind range when we do team flying. No worries whatsoever. When you have an onshore wind picking up really high, that Kite will deliver. There will be no problems flying in a team together as long as we don't do too many tricks. But as you can see, axles, half axles, I think I pulled off a cascade or two also, and a comet. 2 rotations once. So it's there. Yeah. So the next time, I hope that I will have much better wind, much smoother wind. I'll try to find a place where the wind is coming straight onshore, not like here where we have these trees and things in the surroundings that makes for turbulence. But it was a good experience, and I'm sure that this Kite with a little more tweaking will nail it. So if you want to see more videos like this or Kite related videos in general, why not consider subscribing to the AERIALIS Kites YouTube channel. Make sure to whack that bell icon too, so that you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And until then, take care, stay safe, peace, and just fly.